Hey guys, I'm Thomas Grimmett from Glass Alchemy. Today I want to talk to you about our latest color called Antidote and the science behind our new pastel palette. It's always been a long-term goal of mine to develop a pastel palette, somewhere between transparent and not quite fully opaque. I talked to a lot of artists and it sounds like there's a big need out there for reliable, workable pastel colors. Antidote is the first color in our new line. It's available now, and I want to demonstrate its compatibility so you can see why I'm so excited. When you make a color, you're adding colorants and chemicals with different viscosities and coefficients of thermal expansion. My end goal as a glass maker is to make a compatible, highly workable color. I'm going to show you how we test our glass for compatibility using a Trident seal. Developed by an engineer at Corning in the 70s, it is a glass-to-glass seal that is used to measure the expansion differential between two different glasses. So I've got a rod of 4mm in my hand that we're looking at under the polarimeter. You can see when it's nice and straight and I'm not adding any tension or compression to it, the rod looks pretty much clear under there. I'm going to start to flex the rod a little bit so you can get an idea of what a rod looks like or what glass looks like when it's under stress. So you can kind of start to see that dark band developing there. Now pay close attention to how it looks right before the snapping point. It is going to snap here. I made a Trident seal that is all clear. So it's basically clear welded to clear. And that's what will serve as our control group. Both Trident seals will go in the oven for a proper anneal cycle. When they are cool, we'll take them out and look at them under the polarimeter. By looking at a Trident seal under a polarimeter, it'll show us the residual stress remaining after annealing. At GA, we strive for the compatibility to be as close to clear as possible. Let's take a look. What this test shows me is that working Antidote is very close to working clear from a coefficient of thermal expansion standpoint. Now, for comparison's sake, I want to show you some glass from a different manufacturer. As you can see, this color responds much differently to clear under the polarimeter. So this Trident seal here is the Antidote with Simax down the middle. This seal here is all Simax, Simax down the middle, Simax on the sides. This other glass over here is Simax down the middle, and let's call it a mystery green for the sake of this video. Now, if you remember the example I showed you earlier of what stressed out glass looked like right before it breaks, you'll notice some similarities between that and what we're looking at here. The bottom line is that all glass makers have the ability to check their glass for compatibility. Here at GA, we check every batch of glass that we make. We're excited about Antidote and we hope you are too. Stay tuned for more great pastel colors coming from Glass Alchemy.